Rectangular cake refrigerator showcase, fashion looking. Sliding door design. Air cooling circulation, large outlet design, marble base, crystal surface, anti-corrosion, and scratch resistant. Double layer tempered glass, high definition light transmittance, good insulation of heat, dual fog, cooling, lighting, 3 switches of independent control, yellow button for front glass dual fogging, red button for cooling, press, set, up, and down to adjust the temperature, green button for lighting, soft LED warm light, each shelf with LED light, white desktop, you can put more products, 2 shelves, 3 spaces, showing more cakes, adjustable shelf location, universal pulley, gas vents for good heat dissipation.